Welcome to day 5 and congratulations. Today is the last day of our 5-day workshop. Just a quick summary. So in first day we have discussed about the sequence rule means for the each asterisk means for the each flat line we have to be cautious and we have to take care of all the things like the trigger urge or how the flat line is so important to save your asterisk and save your like continuing your chain and which is protected by the so the golden rule is just the simple crux you can say is the like keep your hand away from your waist area or private part area and then during the sleeping like whenever we just get this kind of thought or like do the this kind of course of action during like or nearby the bed only, so it not be like necessary but generally. So just whenever you are now in bed or now during sleeping, you just keep your hand below your head. So this is the day 2 and day 3 part. So and other things which we have been discussed about the 5-second rule and then reverse procrastination, and there are so many amazing things how you can identify your trigger, how you can eliminate the trigger, and how you going to replace with that. For that we have discussed and we have like set some boundaries like for the digital things like for the internet, that is called windows formatting, and then like phishing, how you could be protected or like how you could protect yourself from the like external source, like how you can handle your social media, Instagram and other things. So this is whole about the concept and there is some tasks, so just go through once and like if you have completed all the tasks then it's like great. So today we are going to discuss about the like then third day, sorry. We have discussed about the auto suggestion means auto suggestion is like something for the motivation means whatever the things you are practicing it's good, but you have like whenever you are doing the same thing then it might be get bored out. It is also like this is the strongest desire means sex is called the strongest desire, or like you are already in the swamp of this porn and masturbation and again you are trying to do or like just a little effort, then it will be demises means like after 4 day 5 day or the day eventually. So you have to keep motivating, keep fueling yourself so that the all the golden rule, all the tools and techniques which we have discussed, that is incorporated in your like day to day life and it is like leading you to no, or it is like replacing the things, it will be like forming the things from there to the like next level or whatever the things you want to achieve and like quitting permanently as well. So that's it for like quick summary for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So today is day 5, so let's continue. So today we are going to discuss something about like accountability. So we have seen about the how this is the problematic, whatever the side effects problem, how it is severe, how you can identify either it is like addiction or like it's normal. So and then whatever the cure, whatever the urge, whatever the trigger, how you can get the trigger, then how you can identify the trigger, how you can eliminate the trigger, how you can replace the trigger with the different tools and techniques, 5-second reverse procrastination, rubber band techniques, whisper and others. So for that thing also you are supporting with the auto suggestion, but you have to be like like keep in a mind like someone should to be in your way so that they can protect you or they can like be accountable for doing all the stuff, means that will be give you like extra protection. So that is about that the thing. So let's start. So whatever is the best accountability partner for you, so the best accountability partner is yourself, isn't it? Means you are the accountable, you are the reason for all the problems, all the solution, and the thing is whoever the going to benefit, who want the change is only yourself. Means for any change you have to be the change, isn't it? So you should be the responsible first. Another one is the journaling. We have already discussed about the truth journaling, means the whole day you have to write down and you have to identify where the you are lacking so that you can find your kind and build comparison and you will like put in a so nice way so that it will like keep helping you in continuing your asterisk track. So how you can track means it's like a part of journaling. So you can download some app which will be going to track automatically, like you have just put your from where you are just continuing the this challenge. So from that day it will keep continuing, keep messaging you. So that is a very good way to tracking yourself. So that is called Quitzilla. Make a close group and lead the to get rid of this habit, try to help them out. So what does it mean? So no, as we have said, means yourself is the best accountability for this challenge. So what you can do, you just collect some friend, means no, you just ask your friend 2 3 4 5 6 7 any many of your friend, and just make a close group whoever the suffering with this problem, and make a group through WhatsApp or any kind of media or channel, and lead them. And after leading that, you will be like no, get a extra responsibility, so that you will be, so that will going to help you a lot, means you are getting a extra responsibility, and now you have the ownership to get out of from there, means like if you are doing the same thing and you are saying the other people or other friends so not do that thing, so it is not going to help you. So you must have to do the things, and you must have to do the things, and like you have to take care of the your words and your responsibility. So now how you can choose the accountability partner for others, it's like the way you have to be like self control other things, but like the other person is also more beneficial, and like na, that will be going to remind always, that is a like a feedback system. So it might be your close friend or anyone like senior junior, whoever have another more thing is like whenever that person going through this challenge or going through this problem, that will be more beneficial to you, that will be guide in a proper way, who has get out of this habit. So we have discussed. So NoFap means the person who will be following NoFap from a like at least for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, or like for a year, that will be more best thing. So that will be the best to get a accountability partner. Senior who you can share freely, means anyone who have like wise or like heavy very like good experience, or like a good personality, or like they always motivate, always tell you about your goodness. And so now you can, or either you are comfortable with them, so you can choose with them, and you can just share freely, means it's like a feedback system, means you have a mechanism of feedback, and you will get the response, and according to the response you will get the solution. So don't make yourself alone. So you have to keep in mind, stay occupied means from waking up to going to sleep, you have to be in the mode of like busy, means don't be like being busy, so that you will be no any spare time to like get that kind of thought, or like you are just not doing anything, so let's just do the masturbation or watch 1 or 2 videos. So it's not like that. So for that you just do a to-do list, or whenever you are going to bed, or no, to make a to-do list, or just after waking up make a to-do, whatever the things you have to do in the entire day. So that will be plan a day, then it will also like relax for your mind, it will be automatically like you have less thought, means everything is like you have written down, and you have to like there is a trust system right now, so that will be going to help you a lot. Make few new friends, means you just make new friends now, so that you can share the things, you can get explore the things. Be social means not go to the like Instagram and somewhere you just follow the model or something, means be social means explore the new place, explore the new people, like get to know the like there are so many things, you just there are so many camp, there are so many webinars, seminar are happening around yourself, you just get to know, improve your skill, get some another addiction. So if you want to get rid of some addiction, then get into some other addiction, isn't it? Like exercise, explore yourself, listening music, be nature freak, having some inspirational picture around you, so that will going to help you. This is also kind of a auto suggestion. So you can do the things, join NoFap. So how you can join means you can join through a forum, or like there is a special website called nofap.com, so you can sign up from there, and you will be like get into like there is a huge people are signed up for in NoFap, so there is a huge support. So there are so many private and other people are running support groups, so you can join there. You can also join our support group that is in Telegram, so you can get the 24-hour support, and you will get the accountability as well. So it's like a very well mannered, so you can just join, and that link will be given in our description box. Ask the help if you are still you are feeling that the thing is not getting done, or not like you are not in the overcoming the situation, then you ask some consultant or therapist, so that will be give you like some medication or something. But the thing is to you have to understand the problem and you have to take the action. So that is called the public disclosure, means you are publicly accepting the things, so that will give you more confidence, or you will be like the now you are telling the more people, then you have to be like a committed. No, you are committed to the things, so you have taken this challenge, then you have to do anyhow. So accept the challenge through any like through any app or some social media which is like nofap.com. Share your story how the things now with the people who are already suffering. Any public platform, you just now join this kind of group. You can join NoFap, you can join Quidzilla. So there is a short video how you can join nofap.com. So you just watch this video and you will get can keep journaling and you can keep a static, so you will just get motivated, and the thing is done automatically. You don't have to write every day on page and paper. So we will discuss about one of the most important and famous website, NoFap. So as we also say, so we are on NoFap. So it's a very popular term. So if we go to the website NoFap through any browser, so you will get this kind of link. So nofap.com, you just simply search. So you will land to the about page. So you just go through the about page, whatever the things, how it works and another stuff. So you can join also the community, as well as you can get a user manual by just putting your email address. So you will get into your email ID. So now come to the another part of this website. So about the porn basic. So in this you will just get a overlook of how porn is affecting us and all the symptoms and other kind of stuff. So it's a very beautifully written as scripted. So you just go through once and just look around how the things work. So after just leave right now we're leaving the community, we just go to the last section, that is uh, like how can you join. So this is like accountability and something like that. So it's not a free service, it's a paid service. So you will get some a small amount of charge so that you can get a group call and other things. So if you want, then you can join, with otherwise you just leave. So we come to the group and forum parts. So it is our the most important page on this website. So here we will do all the things and all the signature and other things. So right now I have just logged in, so I'm just logged out. So after logged out, you just in the corner you will get the sign up button. So you just put your email ID and address and you will get into the signing mode. So after that you will see the home page again. You will no, the four parts you will divert back. So forum, group, and then you can just donate or no, whatever the things you can do through this website, as well as to run the website. So forum, you can just see the some various topics where the beautiful articles are published by some users, as well as so you just go through the uh, just keep slide and go through all the things, and you will just find it interesting, then read and try to understand. And it's a very beautifully and like so group wise how the relapse time, it's a very beautifully constructed, and no, there is a thread by thread. So what happened this, what happened this, what replied after that. So after that you will just go to a group. So group is like a no, like a one kind of person or from one place, like from some country for some region. So they just connect through a group, and it lead to some Reddit or some Telegram pages or some other source of their conversation as accountability. So you just meanwhile, you just go through your profile and update all the missing information. So I prefer you just be anonymous, or you can put your original name, nothing to worry. So come to the member part. So member part is a group of people where it's a very beautifully ranked on their basis of engagement. So how the people are engaged, how like number of messages or number of points they have gained, number of threads, like that. So it's a priority or rank. So it will really give you the inspiration and keep. Now update your day counter. So how you will set your badge? So you just come to the day counter and you just select PMO, porn, masturbation, or orgasm, or there is a fourth category, private group. So you just leave that. So I suggest you just select PMO, or as per your choice, you can just select only P or M or till O. So PMO I'm selecting here. So after selecting PMO, you just choose from how many days you are just continuing, or like today you are starting. So I'm selecting here 21st April, and time is like 6 p.m. So you can choose from where you want to start, then just submit. So after submitting, how you will going to see like from how many days you are just continuing. So for that you just come to the your profile section again, like we just come out from that page and see at the right corner, so your profile is summary is given. So you just click there and you will see your activity and other things. So after clicking on your information, so at the downside you will see from how many days and like whatever the opted you have, PM, so this is very beautifully, and you will just get motivated. Other than there is just support and donation, all the things. So you just explore the website and keep in touch with the people, get the accountability, and make your public disclosure. So yeah, really we accept your problem and other things. So there is nothing like tabuness or something. You just be open and accept you are actually habituated and you try to live, and it's not a big problem. It is just simple. So just I'm emphasizing because of you get your productivity, the work done in better way. So that's it. Don't worry anything. So it's just a casual, but no. So you have to be updated in this forum, and you have to like post meanwhile, so that it's no your badge will be updated continuously. So it will be visual to all the member of this website. Download Quizilla from Play Store, or you can download in any kind of version. So here you will get the add your whatever the kind of addiction or anything you just want to keep track. So you have to just click on plus. So here I have already used 2 free asterisk, so we can't use further. For that you have to take the premium. So I don't recommend 2 is sufficient. So means about 275 days I have continued the challenge. So I've just continued till now. So but after 150 days I have just relapsed. But no watching porn is still continuing. So see, here is the link. So it will like continuing the link. If the link is getting break, so it will be showing like in a cross. So I have just started a new asterisk from last 18 days. So if you have like continue or discontinued, so like these are the cross thing I have discontinued. So you just click over there and you just write the why, the reason, and at which time, and you just add the entry, and you can make a new fresh start. So like today I have just quit, so you just write down what is the reason or at what time, and you just click OK, and then you will just again start the from day one, and you will like keep a track in how many in a week, how many times you are doing masturbating on all the kind of things. So it's a very useful app, so you can download and use it for your personally or tracking the things, and it will also help you to keep journaling. So here we have discussed about the website NoFap or NoFapping, and another one is Quidgila app. So apart from that, you can see various tools and apps and website and forum. So as per your suitability, you just go through the website and go through the internet and just join there. And the thing is, to you have to be surrounded, and your the circle should be like that. So your mentality get into that. So whatever the task you have to do, so make an accountability partner. So by choosing anyone, your friend or any close person, no, who can be means you and both of you are comfortable to each other. Be public disclosure means you just make an account in nofap.com. The best way to help other and be accountable for other, isn't it? So like make a some 2 or 3 people group, or anyone. If there is a large group, then it's like more impactful. You will be have the more responsibility, you have more like the power of words. So if you are saying to another one, then you have to follow to yourself as well. So write down in WhatsApp group, I transfer myself. So if you get any significant change, you just write down or give some feedback in our WhatsApp group. And for more detail, or like for the more intensive, we have a 30 days bootcamp over the YouTube. So you can just join, or you can just watch the video. So you will get a like more intense uh, information about these things, and you will be like get awesome, and you will be like really find out the so transformational. So just join the channel. Thank you so much.